10 travel outfits seniors should never wear to the airport, and what airlines hope you don't know about airport dress codes. Here's something the airlines don't want you to discover. Your outfit choice can completely sabotage your travel experience before you even board the plane. Most senior travelers make the same costly mistakes, wearing clothes that trigger extra security screenings, cause health problems at altitude, and turn simple bathroom breaks into acrobatic nightmares at 36,000 feet. The truth is, airlines and TSA have unofficial problem clothing lists that can flag you for delays, pat-downs, and uncomfortable flights. But they'll never tell you what's on those lists. Today, I'm exposing the 10 biggest outfit mistakes that could turn your next flight from smooth sailing to total disaster. Let's dive in. Number 10. The Luxury Trap. Airlines love when you wear obvious luxury brands because it marks you as a target for premium upselling. Flight attendants are trained to identify high-value passengers by their clothing, then push expensive upgrades you don't need. That designer handbag suddenly means your basic economy seat needs a $200 security upgrade. Wearing designer logos makes you a magnet for airport pickpockets who specifically target travelers flashing wealth. TSA agents also give luxury items extra scrutiny, assuming expensive accessories might hide contraband. What to do instead? Travel in quality basics without obvious branding. Pack luxury items in your carry-on where you can monitor them. Pro tip: airlines aren't liable for stolen items from overhead bins. But here's where it gets really interesting. Number 9. The Attention Magnet. Bright, flashy clothing increases your chances of random additional screening. TSA agents are trained to notice standout clothing, making you more likely to be flagged. It's not random, it's visual profiling. Flight attendants use clothing color to identify passengers, but bright colors also make you memorable to staff who push upselling. Studies show passengers in bright colors are 40% more likely to be approached for overpriced upgrades. What to do instead? Choose solid, darker colors like navy, black, or gray that help you blend in while looking polished. Pro tip: keep one bright accessory you can remove if you want to become less noticeable. Think that's helpful? Just wait until you hear about this next clothing disaster. Number 8. The Scent Bomb. Heavy perfumes and full makeup. Airlines have policies about strong scents but don't advertise them. You can be moved or removed if your perfume triggers allergies. Cabin air recirculates every 2 to 3 minutes, trapping your scent with 150 people for hours. Thick foundation reacts with bone-dry cabin air, 10 to 20% humidity, causing skin to crack and flake with nowhere to clean up. Airlines know this creates complaints but would rather deal with problems mid-flight than warn you. What to do instead? Light moisturizer with SPF, minimal makeup, no fragrance. Pack makeup and carry-on and apply after landing. Pro tip: flight attendants always appreciate considerate passengers who dress thoughtfully. But what I'm about to reveal next will make you rethink everything in your jewelry box. Number 7. The Metal Detector Nightmare. TSA has a secret list of problem accessories that guarantee extra screening. Agents spot troublesome jewelry from 20 feet away but let you discover it the hard way in front of impatient travelers. The worst, jewelry that can't be easily removed. Screw-on bracelets hold up entire lines. Some travelers miss flights trying to remove them. Former TSA agents admit they groan at certain jewelry because it means 10 to 15-minute delays. TSA actually likes these delays because they create the illusion of thorough security. What to ask? Are there any jewelry restrictions for security? They must answer if asked directly. What to do instead? Wear minimal, easily removable pieces. Choose magnetic or quick-release clasps. Pro tip: TSA agents appreciate travelers who come prepared. If you've learned even one new thing so far, hit that like button. It helps other smart travelers discover these hidden perks. And if you want more airline secrets and senior travel hacks, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell. Number 6. The Bathroom Disaster. jumpsuits, and one-piece outfits. Airlines love this mistake because it keeps you trapped in your seat longer, buying overpriced snacks. Passengers in jumpsuits avoid bathrooms, meaning less facility wear and fewer flight attendant interruptions. Airplane lavatories are just 24 square inches. Flight attendants call jumpsuits accident waiting to happen outfits. They've seen passengers struggle, fall, or have accidents because they couldn't manage clothing quickly in rough air. If you need bathroom assistance due to outfit choice, flight attendants aren't required to help. What to do instead? Choose separates for the coordinated look. A matching knit set looks put together but manageable. Pro tip: use the airplane bathroom test. If you can't manage your outfit in your home bathroom with eyes closed, don't wear it flying. But what comes next could literally put your health at serious risk. Number 5. The circulation killer: tight jeans and restrictive clothing. Tight clothing dramatically increases DVT risk on flights. Airline medical advisors know this but would rather settle lawsuits than warn passengers. Sitting immobile in tight clothes reduces blood flow by 40%. For seniors, this creates perfect conditions for fatal blood clots. Cabin pressure makes tight clothing feel tighter at altitude. That snug waistband becomes a tourniquet at 35,000 feet. Flight attendants carry tools to cut restrictive clothing in emergencies. Airlines profit from medical emergencies through insurance claims and emergency landing fees passed to passengers. What to ask? Request aisle seats. They reduce DVT risk by 30%. What to do instead? Choose clothing with a 2+ inches stretch room. Pack compression socks. Pro tip: airlines don't provide compression socks, but they prevent flight-related blood clots. But what if I told you there's something even more dangerous than tight clothes? Number 4. The Hypothermia Trap: shorts and no layers. Airlines keep cabins at 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit to keep you awake and buying products. Cold passengers buy blankets, drinks, and complain less about cramped seating. Exposed skin loses heat 25 times faster at altitude. Seniors lose body heat faster and are more susceptible to hypothermia. Airlines remove free blankets to sell $8 to $12 travel blankets instead. Flight attendants dress in layers and bring sweaters despite knowing cabin temperatures. They're trained to sell comfort items first, offer medical assistance second. What to do instead? Dress 20 degrees colder than your destination. Pack lightweight layers. Pro tip: ask for free hot tea instead of cold drinks to maintain core temperature. What comes next will shock you even more. Number 3. The security nightmare: multi-pocket cargo pants and vests. Cargo pants are on TSA's official high alert list. They cause the most delays and missed flights. TSA profits from chaos because it justifies expanded security and generates revenue from missed flights. TSA agents are trained to be suspicious of multiple pockets. 90% of cargo pant wearers forget items in pockets, leading to additional screening and fines. TSA has unofficial quotas for additional screenings. Multi-pocket clothing makes easy targets. What to say? If pulled aside, ask, "Is this screening related to my clothing choice?" They must answer if asked directly. What to do instead? Limit to 2 pockets maximum. Use a belt bag for essentials. Pro tip: clear mesh pockets. Let TSA see they're empty, speeding up security. Number 2. The germ factory: flip-flops and open-toe shoes. Airport floors contain 10,000 plus bacteria per square inch, more than toilet seats. Walking barefoot through TSA exposes you to antibiotic-resistant bacteria and infections, especially dangerous for seniors with compromised immunity. TSA mats are cleaned once daily but walked on by thousands of barefoot passengers. You're stepping where people with athlete's feet, MRSA, and worse have walked moments before. Flight attendants are required to wear closed-toe shoes and warned about floor contamination, but passengers never get this health information. What to do instead? Always wear closed-toe slip-off shoes. if wearing sandals, bring socks for security. Pro tip: pack antibacterial wipes and clean feet after security. Now, here's the number one mistake that could literally endanger your life. Number 1. The safety hazard. Wrong shoes for emergencies. Your footwear could mean life or death in emergency evacuations. Airlines must evacuate in 90 seconds, but inappropriate shoes are the number one cause of evacuation delays and injuries. Passengers in high heels, flip-flops, or boots cause dangerous bottlenecks that trap others. Flight attendants identify problem footwear during boarding but can't ask you to change, even if your choice endangers other passengers. For seniors with mobility issues, unstable footwear turns survivable emergencies into tragedies. Emergency slides are designed for bare feet or flat shoes. High heels puncture slides. Flip-flops come off. Boots prevent quick removal for water landings. What to do instead? Wear supportive slip-ons you could run in. Your emergency escape shoes. Pro tip: keep shoes on during takeoff and landing. If something goes wrong, you'll be ready to move immediately. So there you have it. 10 outfit mistakes airlines hope you keep making because they profit from your discomfort, delays, and safety risks. These aren't fashion choices. They're hidden traps that cost you money, health, and safety. Airlines have detailed optimal travel clothing information, but prefer selling solutions to avoidable problems. Now you know their secrets. Which clothing trap have you fallen into? Ever missed a flight because of what you wore? Share your stories below. Don't miss our guide to 15 free perks airlines hide from senior travelers. Discover more insider secrets that could save hundreds. Like, comment, and subscribe. And, as always, safe travels.